In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to use Hub for daily assignments and materials. Okay? So you log into My HSD and go to Hub, click on it. And in the Hub, go to Courses. You're going to have different courses from mine, but you're going to see Semester 1 Algebra 2 class. So click on this class, which is my class. And the page is gonna take you to the overview. On the overview page, basically I used it as an announcement. Okay? And the primary place you're gonna go is resources here. So click on resource. All of the materials and assignments are in the resource place. Okay? And in the resource place, you're gonna see different folders I created for each of the week. For example, the first week from September 8th to September 11th is your first week. So click on this. And I have different days of that week. Okay? And for the first week, Tuesday and Wednesday, we're not learning new content. And from Thursday and Friday, we're going to learn new content. So if you want to look for the materials for the content assignments, you click on this folder, Thursday and Friday. And in the folder, you will always see two subfolders. One is videos, the other is assignment. For the videos, so when I teach you on the live class, I will use PowerPoint notes. And if you miss some part or if you want to review, you can always come to the video for notes and review that class. So click on it, video for notes. And here I have the title for the note of that specific day. Click on it. So you can watch the video on the Hub, or you can click the YouTube link and it will open a new YouTube window for you. And you can review my class. Okay, so in this YouTube video, it is the PowerPoint that for that specific day, and I will go over each of the questions on the PowerPoint. So whenever you have a question, you can come to the video for a review. Okay. So let's keep looking. So we'll go back to resource, first week folder, Thursday and Friday. So we just look at the video for notes. And the second folder is assignment. So for each day, I may give you an assignment. Or for every day, you're going to check the Hub to make sure you finish the assignment for that day. Okay? So click on the folder assignment, okay? And that is a homework for your first week. Okay? Click on the homework, and you can start doing the assignment. Okay, on your view, you're gonna have a start and you can start doing it. And you only have one chance to do your assignment. After you submit it, you're gonna see your grade immediately. And if you wanna correct your questions, you will email me to let me know, and I'm gonna give you the questions to make your grade higher. Okay, so let's go back to resources. First week, Thursday and Friday. So basically that's it. Okay, so for every day after the live class, you're gonna go to the Hub and go to the folder for that specific day to check for assignment. If you have any questions during the class you didn't ask, you can always go to the videos to clarify your question, or you can also email me or contact me through the Teams to ask questions. Okay, so that's how you're going to use Hub. Class materials, class assignments are on the Hub, and you need to log into the Hub to check for assignments every day Make sure you turn in the assignments. Okay?